What's good, YouTube? All right, so for this video, I'm gonna be removing the shadow that's going on here, a little oxidation from removing that badge. For those that do not care about removing any oxidation residue after debadging your vehicle, and this only happens with older vehicles, by the way. You can't see it when you're far away and stuff like that, but up close on it, you can still see the leftover badge oxidation, the shadow of the badge. So anyway, shout out to ChatGPT. So if you try out this Meguiar's Ultimate Compound, let me move my hand out the way so you can actually read it. So yeah, we're gonna add a little bit of that to a microfiber towel, rub it around the badge where you can see the shadow and the outline of it, and we're gonna see if it removes it completely. If not, this is a failed video. All right, be right back. So let me see if we can get this focusing for y'all. So here's an update. So far the Meguiar's is doing pretty good. So add a little dime size piece to the microfiber towel, circular motion across it. Like, man, it's fading away already. Oxidation shadow of the debadge in my car. It's not a real huge concern because people still can't see unless you're very up close to the vehicle like I am to see what it said on there. But other than that, yeah, I still got the scratches. Oh well, it happens. This car is old anyway, plus it don't really mean much to me. Car still runs otherwise. So I'm gonna apply a little bit more Meguiar's Ultimate Compound on here, and it should clear up the extra shadowing that I see a little bit. But other than that, I'll hit you guys up when I finish and I don't see any leftover residue. If I didn't say it on the other parts of the video, you will need to clean your vehicle before you go ahead and do this. But as you can see, you no longer see that shadow, but you will see those scratches because that was just some human error, when removing the badge. But other than that, man, I'm happy with the results. No longer see the shadow. You would think there was no badge there ever. Shout out to ChatGPT again for letting me know about the Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. And for those that have a newer vehicle, you should be able to debadge your vehicle just fine and not have to worry about having oxidation or shadow remaining on your vehicle afterwards. It's only for me and other people like me that has an older vehicle. Other than that, man, I appreciate you guys for watching. And yeah, holla at me for more videos, and more videos coming soon, man. This is just something that I wanted to do because the shadow was bothering me. But other than that, man, if it don't bother you, you should be a-okay with your vehicle after you debadge it. Well, appreciate y'all for watching, man, and I'm out. Hope y'all enjoyed the short video, but straight to the point.